1102 Collin Drive, Lebanon, Tennessee. A quality new construction by the local Eastland Construction Group. Today we're here to learn more about the home, so stay tuned. As of recording the video, the home is listed for sale. For the latest status, price, and additional details, see the property link in the description. So stepping inside, you're instantly greeted with some of the custom craftsmanship their homes offer. This home boasts 3,448 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a formal dining, office, and a bonus room, and it is known as the Inglemore Cottage Plan. Heading over to the kitchen, you find that it boasts an eat-in with loads of natural light. You've got custom maple cabinets topped with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a nice gas cooktop, double oven, a little butler's kind of pantry or coffee nook. You'll find the primary suite on the first floor as well, located on the back end of the home, filled with the custom carpentry, loads of natural light, easy access to the covered back deck. In the ensuite, very nice vanities, lots of storage space, huge walk-in shower, dual shower heads. Got that private commode. And then a walk-in closet that is larger than some bedrooms. Just off the main living area, you've got a half bath. Now let's check out this utility room. And then you have your 3-car garage. Now let's head on upstairs. As soon as you get upstairs, one of the first things you'll probably notice is that you have carpet instead of the hardwood floors. We're going to start off on the right side. Here you'll find bedroom number 2, one of the smaller bedrooms. Next, you'll find the recreation room. Lots of natural light here. Bedroom number 3. It has its own bathroom. Tub shower combo. Private commode. And then it does have additional door access. And this is what I would believe they are considering an office. Walks on through to bedroom number 4 with a large closet. And then we have another shared full bathroom. Tub shower combo again. Quickly diving into the location of this property. So you're located in what is known as Farmington Woods, or more specifically the reserve. It's Farmington Woods. This is a newer section of the development. So zooming out, you are very near the heart of everything Lebanon has to offer. The historic square, you're about a 12 to 15 minute drive, and then all of the shopping and stuff like that, restaurants, etc., you're within a 5 or so minute drive. Zooming out a little further, you have the Nashville International Airport, about a 25-30 minute drive. Then you also have the very heart of Nashville itself, about a 35 to 40 minute drive. If you love lakes and stuff like that, you have Percy Priest Lake, just down to the southwest, about a 30-minute drive. Old Hickory Lake to the west, and then you have the Center Hill Lake to the southeast. That is it for this tour. In the description of this video, you'll find a link to the full listing that'll show you the status and price. If you have any other questions, let me know. Happy to help. Put any feedback about the property or this tour in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope to be a resource. Talk to you guys soon.